Hello everyone, my name is Krishan and this video is about how you can create a child theme in HubSpot. So without further ado, let's begin. Alrighty, so before we jump into the video tutorial, let's first discuss about why creating a child theme is important. So let's take example, you purchase theme from the marketplace, the HubSpot Marketplace. Go to view demo. If you see here the version, it's 43 right now. So when you purchase the theme, it might be 50 or 42, depends on your situation. So when the version update of the theme, so if you use the same theme, the main theme, if you update the version in your personal account, the chances are there you get the changes in your theme or the website as well. So it is really important to create a separate child theme so it won't conflict in your websites. So let's back to the tutorial. First, we're gonna create a child theme here. So if you purchase a theme from the marketplace, go to marketplace and you'll see here the name. If you purchase the Siloh Pro or anything, it will pop up here. So in my case, the Siloh Pro theme I have set here because I've created the Siloh Pro theme, of course. So let's create a child theme. Click the right button and you see the options here, create a child theme. So I can set here a child CSS and JS. This one is a global. So let's create it. Okay, so it is ready. If you go here, it created in your root folder of a design manager. So here's the Siloh Pro and here's the Siloh Pro theme, Siloh Pro child theme. So if I go here, I get here a template, child CSS, child JS. So this one is CSS page and this one is JavaScript page. You can add here additional JavaScript if you want. Let's undo this, let's save this. So how you can work with the modules. Suppose you want to work with let's say any modules. If I go here, refresh, back to the customizer, I believe. Okay, so if I edit page, got this. So if you want to work with this module, let's say image. So this one is a default module. Let's take another example. Let's say the counter. So this is the advanced counter. So in current version, there might be less options in the styling. In future, you get more updates in this same module. So what you're gonna do here is go to your main theme, let's say Siloh Pro in my case, and this one is the advanced counter. So I want to work with the advanced counter, right? Yeah, advanced counter. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a copy of a module. So I have already created the theme, copy theme. Let's search for advanced counter, which is this one. If I right click here, I get the options here, clone to child theme. So click here, Siloh Pro child, it will show your name here, press OK. So now if you close this, the main theme, and go your child theme, which is Siloh Pro child, you see the module here. See, now you can work with this module and you won't get conflicted when the updates arrive. You can even clone these items just like you clone the modules. You can clone sections, modules, JavaScript files, CSS file, images. You can clone all of these files into your child theme. If I go here inside the module or the section, for right clicking this accordion, you can get the option clone to child theme. So if I click here, go to child theme, copy into child theme. Okay, let's see if it's working or not. So if I go to Siloh Pro child, then if I go to sections, here's my section is copied. So now I can use this section in my child theme. And if I get update, section update particularly in the main theme, so it won't conflict with your personal changes with the main theme. And now if I go to templates, Siloh Pro, the template, I can even clone these templates, all of these templates to my child theme. So let's say I want to clone this home. So right click, clone to child theme, click here, okay. All right, let's back to the child theme, say sections. This one is template. Yep. So home page is cloned. So this is how you can clone your main file to your child theme and work separately. So this is the module part. Now, if you work with the template, go here and let's refresh the page. Make sure you refresh the page every time you make changes inside your design manager, anything. So if I create here, let's say test page, your theme marketplace. Okay, so I think let's go to back. Let's create again. Siloh Pro, Siloh test page. So here I have a bunch of themes available here. So I have created a Siloh Pro. So I'm going to search for Siloh. Here I get the Siloh Pro options. So this one is a Siloh Pro child, which I have created just back a couple of minutes ago. So set this active. And now you can use the same templates that the original theme has. So all the templates and modules can be inherited from the main theme, and you can use as a copy version of it. And you can create a multiple child theme and name as a separate, so you can create a multiple websites from the same theme. Isn't it powerful? So let's go and choose one template. I'll take contact. Let's select this. Okay, so right now we got the template. So this one is default settings are available here. You get the banner, you get the maps, contact form, the marquee. You can change from here. All the modules are available from the main theme. So these are total 41 or 42 modules available inside the Siloh Pro theme. So you can use this module inside your child theme as well, and it won't conflict whenever you update your main theme. So here you can update the header, footer. Let's say footer. So if you don't know about how to create your footer from Siloh Pro theme, I've created a video. Make sure you check it out. And for now, in this video, this is pretty much it. This is how you can create your child theme and work with your child theme, so you won't conflict with the main theme. I hope you understand from this video, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.